This is Javier. I'm a senior caseworker at Latitude Law, and today we're going to speak about what happens when your British passport, your recently obtained maybe British passport, shows any discrepancies with your documents back in your country of origin. This, for example, you can realize about this when you're trying to bring maybe your parents or maybe a family member or a friend on a visit visa and you want to sponsor them, and you realize that maybe your date of birth in your British passport is slightly different than the one you have in your country of origin documents, maybe your birth certificate, something like that. So we will speak about what happened in this case of scenarios, if you still can apply for a visa, and essentially how to solve this. So the first thing you need to ask yourself in this case of when there is a discrepancy is, what is the source of this discrepancy? If there was a mistake when you were making an application originally, maybe your first application, maybe an asylum application, when you were not really fluent in English and the Home Office made a mistake recording your information, maybe later on a naturalization application you made a mistake doing the application, or somebody else did a mistake, the Home Office or a caseworker. So if the reason is that it's a simple mistake, you need to track the source of that mistake and provide some additional documents in your parents' or your friend's visit visa application, providing a clear explanation on when the mistake happened and providing the original documents for your records to be amended in accordance. If your British passport details don't match the details of yourself you have in your country of origin because you use maybe a false passport or you use another identity to enter the UK, you should seek advice from Latitude Law or any other solicitor, because there is a chance that making any other application to sponsor anyone else, not only a visitor visa, but maybe a spouse visa or any other application really, starts a process of deprivation from your nationality. So you should be careful about this and try to solve it as fast as you can. If you think either of those options are applicable to you and you want to discuss it with us, please call Latitude Law. We can give you a free initial consultation, discuss the possibility of you making an application, any additional documents or any other processes you can do to take action on either of those options, and we will advise you accordingly. Thank you.